Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders, and one of my students, he got placed recently. He is going to share his experience.
Hi, I am Tharun. I have a beautiful experience in PySpiders. I have joined PySpiders at February 2025. To summarize all into one thing, I had a great experience. I have been taught in different aspects. One of them is the subjects what they have dealt today. One is Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and my Python trainer was Keshav sir. He is one of the best trainer I have ever seen. The things which brought out from him were very much helpful for me, and even the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js were dealt with different trainers, Vishal sir, Shruti ma'am, and Govindraj sir. And my SQL trainer was Vinod sir. He was the first trainer I had seen in PySpiders who taught me SQL in very simplest way he can. Yeah, this was the best experiences in the learning curve what I have seen in my life.
Okay, we wish him all the best and all the best for your life.
Thank you, sir.